Hi, are you interested in learning how you can ship anything from China to Zambia? Well, I've got a full course on my website teaching you everything you need to know when it comes to shipping items from China to Zambia. Okay, this course is not expensive, it's only 50 kwacha. Apart from that, you're also going to learn how you can ship from all these other countries such as USA, okay, India, South Africa, UK, and so on. Not only that, you're also going to learn how you can buy and ship from marketplaces such as eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, Alibaba, and so on. So this is only 50 kwacha. Click the link in the description or contact me to get started. Bye for now.